I'm so happy that we got this apartment.
It's car boot.
Boot, alltså typ stämmer.
Skål! Hello! We are back in the new apartment. Yet another moving vlog. This is episode 2. If you haven't seen episode 1, you need to watch that before this one. I just did a little get dressed with me for Instagram. Go follow me there if you don't already. This is gonna be another moving vlog, and today, for example, we are gonna be going to like a outlet store that sells furniture and stuff. I've also been in contact with the person on Facebook Marketplace, which is selling like a huge mirror, and I'm hoping I can get that maybe today or tomorrow. I think I'll do like a 1, 2, 3 day vlog. We'll see. So yeah, just some more fixing of the apartment. In the last vlog, I literally did everything. Like I packed up all my boxes that I had in the storage box. I put up my bed. I put up a table. Also, you would know this if you watched also the last vlog. This is temporary. We're still looking for a couch. We did see one in a store yesterday, which was really nice. Well, it was like two-seater couches in a dark brown leather, and they were beautiful. So we were looking at Facebook Marketplace to see if we could find something similar there as well. You know, we've been looking around, and I feel like things are slowly, or actually like kind of quickly, getting into place, and it's just super fun. I love this apartment so much already. Like I've been in it for like, I don't know, 2 days I think it's been, and I love it so much. Like the super high ceilings, the double doors, yes, we love the floor, just everything. Anyways, now we are headed to, first of all, go get the car, and then we'll be heading to the outlet store. Let's go. Okay, we've made it here, and it's just like a big open space with loads of stuff just everywhere, but it's actually really cool, and everything is 50% off from the original price or more. So this is super amazing if you want to buy stuff and not spend too much. And they have clothes too. Okay, I don't know what our main objective is, but we are looking for a couch, and they do have lots of them here behind me, everywhere. Maybe we'll find a couch today, maybe not. Hopefully also I can find some new stuff for my bed, because right now it's green and I just want like more neutral colors. I'm gonna get my mirror also in like an hour, so that's perfect. Like, look at these couches, they're so beautiful. Okay, we have found a couch that might be potential. It looks very gray on camera, but in real life it's a lot more black. I have also found some curtains, but I'm thinking of having them where I have some of my clothes to hide it, so it's like looks more organized and you don't see the mess. Guys, we sat down. I have a little salted caramel ice cream. We also just went inside over there. They have like a decoration store where they have loads of like decor and everything. That's super pretty. So we went and checked it out. They had really nice stuff. A little bit of everything, but yeah, mostly like decoration stuff. But then they also have like restaurants, an ice cream bar. It's such a cute place. And the skies are blue today. The sun is shining. It's a good day. Let's take a moment for Alice's shoes. Like, how cool are they not? I love them so much. These are the Toss ones. Alice is wearing them, rocking them, looking amazing. We've just arrived to where my mirror is supposed to be, so hopefully we can fit it inside this car. Okay, I didn't film the process because like I was carrying a whole entire mirror, but it actually went so perfectly. The mirror is almost 2 meters tall. I don't even know if you can see it. Fits perfectly into the car. Amazing! Also, I have this exact mirror in my room in Luxembourg, and I know that I already love it, so it's gonna be perfect. Mirror is secured. I literally found this yesterday on Marketplace. Yesterday. And today we have it here in the car, and we could like close the back. What's that called? Back door. Yeah, the back.
Car back door.
The boot. We could close the car boot. Everything. Ja. Boot. Car boot.
Boot, alltså typ stämmer.
Nej, det heter så. Okay, I don't know actually how we just did this, but we got the mirror up all of these stairs and into my room right here. And it's so big. Actually insane how huge it is. Hello. How perfect are my little outfit checks gonna be? I also looked up online the original price and it's 200 euros. I just bought this for 30 euros and there's nothing wrong with it. I just need to clean it. Like obviously now it has some marks like from our fingers, but there's not a single thing wrong with this mirror. I just saved 170 euros and that's a slay. Anyways, we're gonna continue going shopping-ish or just like looking in decor and furniture stores and stuff. And yeah, that's like basically our entire day. Everything that we're doing is just has to do with the apartment. So let's go. Okay, so I didn't actually film anything from the shopping trip, but we are back. And tell me why everything I bought is white. This is everything that I got. So as you saw when we went to the furniture store that was an outlet, I got these two, what is this called in English? Curtains. I got two curtains that I'm gonna have right here to hide my clothes, because as you can see, I just have my clothes like this right now, and this will be hiding it. Hopefully we can get those up as soon as possible. They're just white and then have like a little creasing, or I don't know what it's called. Two of those, amazing, and they were like around 7 euros each. Then I just got for my bed a white set because I just want my bed to be white, and this one is also has like some creasing in it. I don't know if you can see on the picture of it. If you look at the picture, you can see that it has like this creasing in it, and I think it's super pretty. And then I also just put my mirror here because I was thinking I wanted to see what that looked like. I mean, I usually take pictures of my outfit, so if I stand here, maybe it'll be a little too close. So I don't know about that yet. And I want to see what it looks like also with the curtains here. Let me try and find like a little solution and hang up the curtains just to see what it looks like, just to get the vibes, because I can't actually hang them up right now because I need to buy like hooks and stuff for that. This is just for the general idea. It's looking very see-through right now. I have a second one as well, so it will cover a little bit more, but I think that could look good. I think I'm gonna try and put my mirror against this wall. I actually don't know. I mean, ideally I think this wall, it looks amazing, but then I have the windows behind me, so this is what happens when I take pictures. It will just become dark. That's why if it was between the windows, that gives the best lighting. But then my bed is kind of in the way. I need to think about this for a second. Is this cute? You kind of have to imagine this like that. Maybe though. It's an idea.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Okay, this is looking good. Once again, I haven't actually set them up, but I think they'll look good when they actually are set up. I like this vibe. Don't mind how I look. It's Sunday, it's a chill day. I'm currently getting my Marrakesh vlog up, part 2, but we are making some more arrangements in the apartment, and today we're trying to put up curtains in the lounge. We have some white ones, so we're thinking about putting them right here. Perfect. I've also been living with my lamp like this for the past like week, so we're gonna fix that today with a simple hairband because my dad sent me a little video of how I should do, so let's just try and do it right. We just went to Hemtex, which is a furniture store, or like they have stuff for apartments or houses, everything. And we just bought 2 of these blankets. This has the other one right there, and we're gonna try and put it on the blue couch and see what it's giving, because we moved the couches yesterday and we brought this gray one and then we have the blue one, which don't really want it to be blue, so we got these and we're gonna see. I think it's gonna work. Okay, once again, it's been a few days since the last time I filmed, but there have been some updates. Like today we bought a new shelf for our bathroom and we had to carry it like throughout the whole city and everything. It was a little bit chaotic because it was very heavy. Our arms, they were struggling, but we made it. Strong, independent women, guys. Yes. So we got a little shelf that I'm gonna show you right now and some baskets to go in it. It was pretty easy to mount, actually. It wasn't that bad. And then we're gonna have baskets throughout the whole thing, but we're currently putting all our stuff in them right now because this is what the hallway looks like. A mess. So yeah. Oh yes, we put up some frames as well. So in the hallway we have this beautiful frame, and also in the bathroom we also put up a frame, this one right here. And for this one it was a little difficult because the wall was, I don't really know what's going on with the wall, but we had to mount this with like a sticky thing, so we just stuck something to the wall and hang it on, whilst this one is like mounted like a regular one with hammer and everything. But yeah, like this looks so cool in the toilet, I think. So those are the current updates. I don't know how much more. I think we're gonna hang up a few more posters this weekend maybe. Also got new bed sheets, which I really love because they're in like this crinkled material, which is perfect. They're just naturally wrinkled and they're supposed to look like that, so that's perfect for a lazy person. Time has finally arrived and I'm about to do the full apartment tour, the finished apartment tour. Obviously there still might be a few little things that we want to add or change, but I mean for the most part it's done. So I'm going to show you because today we had Alice's parents come and they helped us put up some posters. Here's a little sneak peek and some shelves and stuff, so I'm about to show you all of that. But let's go ahead and see what the full apartment looks like. So if you already saw the empty apartment tour, you know kind of what the layout looks like, but I'm gonna go a little bit more into detail. Entry is still the same. We now have a little poster and we also just set up this lamp today in our entryway. This is the bathroom, which we also have another poster right in there, and we also just put up this yesterday with all the little different storage boxes so that we have some more storage to put all our things and stuff. Then right here, let's move on to the kitchen. The sun is beaming in right now. This hasn't really changed much. We just put up this thing right here to have our knives, and we put a little hook here for our towels, but or else it hasn't really changed much. We had already put this poster up before. Yeah, it's still looking the same. We still have loads of storage space inside there. In our pantry, it once again like has not really changed. We kind of just have loads of stuff stored here. Little baking shelf, for example, some more over here. Then Alice had this like blue stool and we just put it here in the corner, also where we have a little calendar so we know what everybody's doing. We can keep track of our stuff. Then we move right on into Alice's room right here, which looks amazing. We put up this shelf today with her parents, and also her mom got us these plants. I have one in my room too, just so cute. She has her mirror here. Alice was already set up even before I came because she had moved all her stuff before me, so it didn't change much. But she also put up a poster today. She has her desk here and a poster there, so a lot of white and with some black contrast. It looks so good. We have the double doors, which I've said so many times that I love them, but I really do. And we walk right into the lounge. I'm gonna show you from a different angle. From where you walk in, I'm gonna show you this angle instead. So here you walk into our lounge and it's absolutely stunning. We have our 2 sofas now, posters put up, bar cart, and another poster here in the corner, which goes so well with the bar cart. Like, I don't know, the whole vibe of it works so well. Got some blues with the blues and grays and whites over here. And then our coffee table, which we got from the people that lived here before. Same thing with the TV stand. It's just so
beautiful. And then the curtains that we put up. We have a plant here that we still need to get. We still need to get a pot for it, and we just put it here today because this window accidentally opened and stuff fell. But it low-key looks really cute next to this sofa, so I think we might keep it like this. Here we are about to enter my room. I'm so obsessed with it. Here we have the curtains, which have officially been set up correctly now. They're stuck, which is amazing. My bed over here, I decided to put up a little poster. This is a picture that I took when I was in Vietnam. Here we have my desk. Oh, my little plant, which I also got. Very cute. My bed has loads of different drawers, like this one. I currently have my school bag, some little notebooks, some more craft stuff right here. And then under here, for example, I have some long sleeve top. Here's more clothes. By my bed, I have another little poster. Once again, also my picture that I took when I was in Paris. And then in this corner, it is still looking a little empty, but I just have my mirror for now. Here I have some more drawers, more storage space, and that's our apartment. So cute. I do have more clothes in this closet, or whatever you want to call it. I have my knits and jeans and stuff, and some bags as well. Also here in the entryway, we have this closet where we have loads of shoes and loads of jackets, and up here stuff for winter, hats, gloves, everything. But yeah, that's literally the apartment. It just looks so nice, right? Like, I'm so extremely happy with how this apartment turned out. Even how it looked without anything inside, like floors, the walls all being white, the ceiling being super high, the double doors. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy that we got this apartment. I'm so happy that Alice and her mom, I'm just grateful for them, guys, because they found this. But that does also conclude the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to like and comment down below which of the rooms is your favorite. Also, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Two-time baby girl, you know.